BJP MP Kangana Ranaut kicked up a political storm after she said that the farmers' protests could snowball into a Bangladesh-like situation in India. Now, while prompting her upcoming movie, The Emergency, the actor turned politician made the controversial statement at an interview to a news daily. Now, Kangana's statement has angered both the farmers and the Sikh community, with the Sri Guru Singh Samaj and the Sikh community of Indore demanding the withdrawal of the civilian honour Padma Shri accorded to her. Now, the BJP was quick to distance itself and asserted that the MP's statement doesn't reflect the BJP's opinions on the farmers' movement. The Saffron Party also cautioned Ranaut to refrain from making such statements in the future. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana is also staging a protest against anti-farmer statements of the BJP MP. While leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has accused Kangana Ranaut of passing anti-farmer statements which are gross and an insult to the farmers of the entire country. He also claimed that the centre has not only failed to fulfill the promises made to the farmers, but also continues to insult them. Listen.
मेरा अपना मानना है कि इस देश में, आज़ाद हिंदुस्तान में अन्नदाताओं को बलात्कारी और हत्यारा पहले कभी नहीं कहा गया है। बीजेपी की सांसद हैं, नेतृत्व के बहुत चुनी हुई हैं और उन्होंने इन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये कह के पलड़ा बिल्कुल नहीं झाड़ सकती है कि हमारा मत नहीं है, ये उनका वक्तव्य है। अगर कोई आपकी पार्टी में ऐसी कुत्सित मानसिकता का व्यक्ति है तो उसको निकाल बाहर करिए। ये मैं कभी होता है मैं हृदय से नहीं माफ कर पाऊंगा, ये हमारा वक्तव्य नहीं, ये नहीं चलेगा। या तो निकाल बाहर करिए, उनसे हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए देश के किसानों पे, और दूसरा आप खुद माफी मांगिए।
Aam Aadmi Party is staging protest here against the BJP, against the statement, and in fact when the state is heading towards the poll and Aam Aadmi Party is hitting out the roads not only in one location but the different locations in the entire state, and they are seeking the apology from Kangana Ranaut and also action against Kangana from the BJP side. So here you can see also that how these protesters have been carrying the placards, how these protesters are also carrying the placards, and in fact Kisan Virodhi Bhajpa Murdabad. We will try to speak to some of the protesters also regarding this. आप लोगों की डिमांड क्या है? आप लोगों की
हमारी यही है, कंगना रनौत जो गलत बोला है वो माफी मांगे और उसका पार्टी
till the time she did not apologize, your protest will continue.
Yes, we will continue. Yes.
This will like this only.
Yes.
Here you can see that Kisan Virodhi BJP party, such kind of slogans has been raised by the Aam Aadmi Party, and they are also hitting out the roads, and in fact they are marching in the city